In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed. If you're not already there, click Home to reset your view. From the top navigation, select Jobs. This takes you to LinkedIn's dedicated job search area, where you can start narrowing down opportunities quickly. Use the search bar to type the role you're targeting. For example, you could enter virtual assistant. As you type, LinkedIn will suggest titles. Choose the one that best matches what you want. Once your results load, start refining them so you see the most relevant recent listings. Open the date posted filter and select past 24 hours to focus on fresh opportunities. Newer postings usually mean fewer applicants and a faster response window. Next, choose remote if you're looking for location flexible roles. This instantly filters out on site jobs and helps you target positions that fit your needs. Now, adjust experience level. If you're just getting started or pivoting, select entry level. If you have more years under your belt, pick the option that reflects your background. Then move to employment type and choose what fits your situation: part time, full time, contract, or others shown. This helps ensure you're only seeing roles aligned with your availability. If you have a company in mind, open the company filter and select it from the list. This is great if you've already done research and know where you'd love to work. You can also apply the applicants filter and pick under 10 applicants to target roles with less competition. Keep an eye on the total results count at the top. It updates as you add filters. If you need to revisit date posted, open it again and select from the list to confirm your choice. When you're done choosing filters, click Show Results to apply everything and refresh the listings. From here, browse the refined list and choose a company you want to apply for based on your research and preferences. When you find a strong match, select Easy Apply if it's available. This streamlines the process and lets you submit directly on LinkedIn. Fill out all required fields carefully, double check your resume, contact details, and any screening questions. Keep your answers concise and relevant to the role. That's the process from start to finish. Search, filter, review, and apply with confidence. With these filters, you'll cut through the noise and reach the jobs that truly fit your goals.